Have you ever wondered how our brains process information and turn it into knowledge? This thought-provoking question sets the stage for our exploration of the cognitive theories of psychology, a fascinating field that delves into the intricacies of our minds. Our journey begins in the early 20th century with the Gestalt theory. This groundbreaking perspective, proposed by Max Wertheimer and his colleagues, challenged the then dominant behaviorist view. Gestalt theory proposes that the human mind perceives the world in patterns or wholes, rather than as a collection of separate elements. This approach emphasizes the importance of context and the idea that the whole is more than the sum of its parts. For instance, when we look at a painting, we don't just see a collection of brushstrokes, we perceive an integrated image. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, when Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget introduced his cognitive development theory. Piaget proposed that children progress through 4 distinct stages of cognitive development, each characterized by different ways of thinking and understanding the world. From the sensorimotor stage in infancy to the formal operational stage in adolescence, Piaget's theory has significantly influenced our understanding of children's cognitive development. The next leap in cognitive theory came from the American psychologist Albert Ellis in the 1950s. Known as rational emotive behavior therapy, REBT, Ellis's theory suggests that our thoughts, not external events, are the primary cause of our emotional and behavioral responses. In other words, it's not what happens to us, but how we interpret and think about what happens that determines our feelings and actions. As we move into the 1960s, we encounter the cognitive information processing theory, spearheaded by psychologists like George Miller. This theory likens the mind to a computer, processing information through a series of stages: input, processing, and output. It provides a framework for understanding how we take in information, process it, store it, and then retrieve it when needed. Last but not least, we arrive at the cognitive load theory, introduced by Sweller in the 1980s. This theory focuses on the capacity of our working memory and suggests that learning is more effective when cognitive load is reduced. It emphasizes the importance of instructional design in facilitating efficient and effective learning. To summarize, cognitive theories of psychology have evolved from the holistic approach of Gestalt theory through Piaget's stages of cognitive development, Ellis's rational emotive behavior therapy, the cognitive information processing theory's computer-like model of the mind, to Sweller's cognitive load theory, stressing the role of memory capacity in learning. These theories offer invaluable insights into how our minds work, shaping everything from education and therapy strategies to our understanding of human behavior. As we continue to explore the depths of the human mind, who knows what new theories will emerge in the future? One thing is certain, though: our cognitive journey is far from over.